What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at some Paul George sneakers that just came out. Actually, that's not even true. These are some Paul George sneakers that haven't even come out yet. Here's the interesting little box. Pretty fly if you ask me. It says Paul George 2 right here. I think this is the home colorway. Nike. Let's open the box here on camera in front of my face. What? You can't really see because it's overexposed. Let me bring out the shoes here and show you how they look. Before I start talking about these shoes in detail, I just want to make a few comments. That if you like content like this, you should probably subscribe to the channel. Pre-release content, pre-release sneakers, subscribe away. Now let's take a look at this sneaker in detail. As you can see in this 4K quality, it's pretty solid. You can definitely tell a lot about what's going on. The grip pattern's very interesting. Inside of the shoe is very interesting. This blue suede here, quite awesome if you ask me. You can kind of see the quality of the suede from my hand movements on it. It says PG right here, the Paul George logo. I think this is a very nice shoe. The first Paul George shoe was very successful. This one might be just as successful. I'm going to throw these on foot like normal. Don't forget to subscribe while I'm putting these on. That way you get to see what other shoes look like on foot, sometimes before they come out. So here you are, this is the PG2. I'm going to throw both on foot, tell you how I feel about them. My first impressions inside my house. I know it's not a basketball court, but usually I'm pretty good at telling how I feel about sneakers based on just wearing them for the first time. I know some people don't think that's a good idea, but I definitely think it's fine. Great shoe right here. Have a lot of experience putting shoes on, and I can say a thing or two about how I feel about them in a second. Alright, we finally got them here, ready to throw on foot. I do miss the strap that's on the PG1 right here. I think that's quite good looking. But other than that, I'm not too sure if I miss much from the PG1. I thought it was too tight to wear for myself. I know a lot of people really liked it as a basketball shoe, and I'm sure it was great. It just didn't work out for me. But I do understand that it could be a great basketball shoe. This one again, same tight, snug feeling. But it fits much better around my foot. Although this is a slightly bigger size than I usually wear. So maybe that's why. But I think it might be safe to say that you should probably go up a little bit in size when buying these. But definitely a shoe that you should probably try on before buying, just because it's different from most Nike products in my opinion. So, gotta get these on here. And you can see it's pretty fly. It's a nice colorway I have. Orange and blue, pretty fly home colorway for these sneakers. Now that I finally got them on, you can see I kind of appreciate them quite a lot. They're definitely super fly. As you can see, it says Zoom right here. There's a Zoom air unit in there somewhere. You can definitely feel a lot of support in the shoe. In my personal opinion, I wouldn't wear them for basketball because I don't like this type of basketball shoe. But I know for a fact that a lot of people find this amazing for basketball. So I will definitely tell you guys to try them on if you're thinking about them. You might like them a lot. And they're pretty fly on foot. So if you get a chance after watching the video or during watching this video, definitely subscribe to the channel. It'll help a lot in creating this awesome content for you guys. Maybe we'll get some sneaker giveaways in there too. You never know. Very fire shoe, I must say. Exceptionally good looking. Thanks for watching the video. And for the umpteenth time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My channel would really help. It would really help my channel. I can't stop just looking at myself in these shoes. I got a monitor here. I can see how good they look. I mean, there's only a few colorways out for this. There's that PlayStation one, which nobody can get because it's super limited. And then there's that next one that nobody really likes. And then there's these. These are pretty fly. So if you like PGs, I certainly think you should check these out. I do miss the classic strap, as I said before, on the other PGs. But hey, what can you do? It is what it is. Pretty fly sneakers. I think they're great. They're super comfortable. All in all, it's a great shoe. And I want to say, I'm pretty happy with it. As PGs go, this is a good pair, in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.